Yes, how are you guys? We are in grade 9 maths and we are looking at numbers. Uh, but actually, we are going to be looking at sets of numbers. And the difference from what you learned in grade 8 is that in grade 8 you were talking about two sets, but in grade 9 we are talking about three sets. Now, I won't let you down, guys. Please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. All right. Now, you know that we have natural numbers, and when we talk of natural numbers, we usually use the letter N to represent the natural numbers. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is an infinite set. But let me not make it infinite. Let me make it finite. Let me make it finite, guys. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Yeah. So then we can talk of the set of odd numbers. The set of odd numbers, let's call it set O. Uh, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All right. And we will talk of I'm trying to think. Let's say we talk of even numbers. Let's call it set E. There would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And then let's talk of another set. I don't want to have many sets. Let's say we have this one, all right? And let's say we have universal set. The universal set, the symbol is this one. Let's say it's the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that is our universal set. So what you need to know, guys, it's how to describe a set. So let's give this set the descriptions. Okay, this set, if you were to describe this set, you would say it is a set of natural numbers. It is a set of natural numbers from 1 to 10. That's how you describe it. All right. And sometimes they will give you the description and then ask you to list the members of the set. They may say list the set of natural numbers from 1 to 10. This is how you would list them. You would have to come up with a letter, a capital letter, to represent the name of the set, and then you will say equal, you open set braces, then you list the natural numbers from 1 to 10, and you close the set brace. Guys, let's come to this one with our description. Let's describe this set. It is a set of odd numbers. It is a set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. We can say to 10 because even if you say to 10, you will still have no 10 in that set because 10 is not odd. But let's say to 9. It doesn't matter. All right. This one, it's a set of even numbers. A set of even numbers from 2 to 10. Okay. This is a universal set, which is a set of we could say it's counting numbers or natural numbers from 1 to 15. It doesn't matter. Now, what is important here? It's also for you to be able to actually find the number of elements in a set. Number of elements in a set. Okay. Now, it's not a big deal, guys. It's not a big deal as long as you know that we use a lower capped n like this to represent number of elements. So that means if we want to say number of elements in set n, we would write it like this: number of elements in set n. Okay, that would be equal to, then you count the number of elements, you count these elements. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 elements in set n. So in terms of the number of elements, you write n of set n equals to 10. Number of elements in set O, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 elements in set O. Number of elements in set E. Okay, how many, guys? How many? Right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, so it's equal to 5. So number of elements in the universal set is equal to how many? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is there are 15 elements. So basically, if you see n of set n, it's just an abbreviation for the number of elements in set n. So you have to count the elements and tell us how many. Okay. Now, if instead these guys, they might even ask you to find the number of elements in say set n intersect set O. Okay, they would love to see if you can find this. All right. So how would you do that? Let's quickly draw the Venn diagram for this information. For if we draw a Venn diagram, remember we will have to draw the universal set, and label it. Then there is something that we need to do. We need to look at the subset, if there is a subset between or amongst these three sets, or if there is an intersection. So let's look at the subset. It looks like this set is the subset of this one. The whole of this set, all these elements are found in this set. Okay, that's what we discover. Also, the intersection. The intersection is only between set E and set N. Now that enables you to draw those sets. Say you can draw set N. Okay, let me do this, guys. Let me do this. Set N. All right, and then let's draw another set. Which set, guys? It has an intersection with set E, so we can draw set E. Good, good, good. Now, for set O, set O is the subset of set N, and it does not intersect set E. So it means we can draw it this way. We can just draw it like this and say this is our set O. All right. Now, this structure becomes easy after you have made an analysis on intersection and subset. Okay, amongst these sets. Otherwise, you wouldn't know how you are going to position these sets. All right. Now, guys, we are left with putting in the elements now. We start with the intersection here. The intersection, it's about the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All right. So for no, this is not the intersection, guys. This is actually the subset, right? Let me get rid of this one. Let me get rid of those numbers quickly. Right. So these numbers should be in this set. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Good. Now, for the intersection, we have 2, 4, 4, and what else? 4, 6, and let me see, 8, and 10. That will not fit in what we have done. So let me just add another element here and say it's 12, so that at least we get to this structure here. All right. Now, so we are going to put these elements in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So for set E, we'll be left with 12. I wanted this 12 to be here, guys. All right. I wanted this 12 to be here. Now for set N, we will have let me see. For set N, there is nothing here. There is nothing here. So I would love us to have something here. Let me just put 11, because it looks like all these elements are in set N. I want one element to be outside. Yeah, that is it, guys. So that means now our number of elements in set N will be 10 plus 1, which is 11. Our number of elements in set E will be 5 plus 1, which is 6. Yes, it's just a simple transition. Guys, now this is the Venn diagram. Okay. Now let's answer this question now. The number of elements in N intersect O will be this elements here. No, N intersects O, no O. Let's not put O. I want the intersection. Let's rather say N intersect E. Let's rather say N intersect E, guys. What am I doing? What's wrong with me, guys? All right. Now, N intersect E. So that would be, we count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements in N intersect E. All right, guys. This is basically what I wanted us to share in this lesson. We looked at the sets of numbers and we described them. We looked at how to describe the sets, and then we looked at how to, to answer questions on the number of elements in a set, and then we represented the information visually on a Venn diagram. Okay, guys, until we meet again in the next lesson.